I went to download Battlefield 6, and guess what? My computer don't have enough power. Look how big this is. That is freaking massive. I mean, you're talking to someone that ain't around computer stuff all day. So this thing's massive. Why did the sticker just come off of that? Oh, this better not have been returned. So now I got to find a case. You know, but I'm on a budget, so, you know, people, I noticed, like, tech people are kind of like, oh, you should have done this, and you should have done that. Well, they're all into tech. I'm not into tech. It's, you know, a lot of people that are into computers are like, that ain't nothing, you know, fancy. So, and if you want to check me out, I live stream Monday through Friday, 8 to 11 p.m. at night. That's what I'm starting with. Okay, this is my very first video on this channel. Basically, don't have any subscribers, and I started streaming. Really like the game Delta Force. I went to download Battlefield 6, and guess what? My computer don't have enough power. So I said, you know what? I built a couple of cheaper computers. I can go ahead and build a little bit higher of an end computer. I can't afford a DDR5, and I set a budget of I didn't want to spend more than $900. I think the minimum requirements for Battlefield 6 was a i7 8000 series, and I'm not sure what the AMD one was. And I said I can get an older i7 and some DDR4 and, you know, basically a case and everything. I think I could build it under $900. So, you know, this is basically just going to be an unboxing video. I bought this little bad boy. I don't care about RGB. I don't care about the fancy stuff. I just wanted white, because I like white. I like my things clean. So I found this one, and I bought it a while ago. I've been buying little bits of parts. I'm waiting on my motherboard CPU right now. But I got this 360 millimeter AIO cooler for, like, I'm not sure what it was on Amazon. It was on sale. I got a really good deal. I mean, I bought a 240 millimeter Cooler Master one, and it was like $40 used. And I think I only give like $50, $52 or something for this. I'm like, whoa, you know, the fans won't match the case. But like I said, I don't care about none of that stuff. So I just figured I'd make a video unboxing this, because when I got this, I thought, this is going to fit in a computer? Look how big this is. This is your cooler. So this box, this thing has to have a bunch of padding in it. And, you know, basically, you know, if you're checking this out, this is kind of an unboxing, or maybe you watch me on my stream so you can get to know me a little more, a little better. But yeah, there has to be a lot of padding in this box, because this box is huge. I cannot imagine putting this into a computer. So I'm kind of new to this stuff. So if I can work on motorcycles, I can definitely build a computer instead of paying somebody. So yeah, I got my workbench all cleaned up for my garage the other weekend, so I'm going to set it on here and let's unbox it. Okay, so we got this all laid out on our bench here. Oh, and let me tell you one thing. For I'm like new to streaming, so like I put my computer set up. If you're watching my videos and I have something wrong with my audio, just will you please tell me and like type a comment, because the other week somebody was in there and was like, it was Soggy, and Soggy told me that my volume wasn't right. So I changed all my volume settings. I've been recording streaming with no video game noise in the background. It's just me breathing for a week. No, it ended up being like a week and a half, you know. It's just, I couldn't believe nobody told me. So yeah, I had to fix all that stuff this morning. This streaming thing is a lot harder than I thought, but it's fun. I really enjoy it, because I hadn't gamed in like 15 years. So right now I'm playing Delta Force and Counter-Strike, but I'd like to play some newer stuff. That Arc Raiders looks really fun. I really don't care for the Call of Duty franchise stuff like at all. So here we go. This was the Frozen Edge 360 Thermaltake. It was like the best deal I could find. And I really like the color, and I actually like that the fans were not RGB. So instructions, I'm most definitely going to have to read those. I hope it comes with the plate, because the motherboard that I ordered off a guy off of Facebook Marketplace, and he was like, he sold me another board like months ago, and he must be doing a lot of computer stuff, because he has a i7-10700K that I bought with the motherboard for 150 bucks, and I was like, oh yeah, that fits my budget big time. Man, this thing's cool. Look how big it is. This must be the hardware accessory package. This is going to be my back plate for my motherboard. So we've got, oh thank God it came with that. That's the Intel side, and probably AMD and all the hardware. And that's my switch there for the 3 fans. And it's going to plug into the PWM controller for the fan speed. And got a little bit of thermal paste. I like to run Cryonaut, just so you know. I've only built like 3 or 4 computers, but that Cryonaut paste, I really like it. It's super thick. I cover it with like a spatula. So most people want to do the dots where they dot it and then they put the processor on. I like to put a layer on it and then just take that spatula and just smooth it on out there. I like to have it nice and smooth on there. That way I know when I put that cooler on there, it's already on there, and you get a little excess that squeezes out. But, you know, it is what it is. Haven't had any of them overheat on me yet, so that's like awesome. Let's get this thing pulled out of here. All right, now that we got the top part taken out, looks like there's one more thing. I mean, there's really nothing to this. Basically, this is our cooler. That is freaking massive. I mean, you're talking to someone that ain't around computer stuff all day. Oh my God, this thing is huge. That's it. You've got. That's it. I got my accessory box, my instructions, and my cooler. Huh. Go figure. My monitor's up here. So this thing's massive. It's massive. It's white. I didn't want none of that fancy shit in there. I was doing this on a budget, so let's unbag this. Wow, there's like nothing to this. Why did the sticker just come off of that? Oh, this better not have been returned. Are you kidding me? No, it's not. It's brand new. Huh, that's weird. And it's nothing fancy. It's just a silver front. I bet it's aluminum. I don't think a magnet. It looks like aluminum. It's aluminum. Magnet won't stick. I mean, I don't know what else to say about this thing besides, you know, it's 50 bucks. I mean, this is a hell of a cooler for $50. Especially when you get on Facebook Marketplace and start looking at stuff used. It's interesting. And then we just have our standard white fans, dude. So it looks a little thicker than I wanted it, like with the fans. So now I got to find a case, you know, but I'm on a budget, so I'm currently not got a whole lot of income coming in. But the finish on this is like cool. It's like a matte. It's not glossy. And then I like what they did with like the chrome. I don't know if that's a sticker. It looks like a sticker. But yeah, I mean, dude, this thing for 50 bucks, I mean, this thing will definitely do the job. I didn't even look at any reviews. So, you know, people, I noticed like tech people are kind of like, oh, you should have done this and you should have done that. Well, they're all into tech. I'm not into tech. You know, I just basically want to play video games and have a good time, make some friends on there. Video games are so boring without friends that, you know, basically you can play with and talk. So yeah, this is the cooler. There ain't much to it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It's, you know, a lot of people that are into computers are like, that ain't nothing, you know, fancy. So yeah, the Thermaltake Frozen Edge 360, I'm going to go ahead and get that, and I'm going to start looking for cases tonight. And when the case comes in, I'll show you what I got in the case. And if you want to check me out, I live stream Monday through Friday, 8 to 11 p.m. at night. That's what I'm starting with. Come in there, chat, subscribe, like, whatever. And then if I have stuff that I can put the links below, if you check out those links out below, maybe purchase off of them, that'd be cool too. And then I also have a motorcycle channel, Torrent Performance. I'll also put the link below. And yeah, so if you want to see someone build a computer and probably not do it right, I'm going to be your guy. So, oh, and one more thing. If you come into my live stream and I don't have audio, will you please frickin' tell me, or leave a comment, or go to one of my videos if you watch it for 30 seconds and be like, dude, there's no audio. I mean, dude, come on, man. I don't want to not have audio for a week and a half. Can you help a brother out? Jesus Christ. I'm out of here.